You need to focus on where the money is actually flowing. Not hype, not headlines, but real capital, real demand, and real long-term trends. And right now, there's one theme dominating everything: artificial intelligence. Trillions of dollars are being poured into AI infrastructure, chips, cloud, and data centers. And the companies I'm about to share are right at the center of that explosion. These are the top stocks I'm buying for massive growth in April 2026. Let's start with the most obvious one. Nvidia is still the backbone of the AI revolution. Right now, it controls roughly 80% of the AI chip market, making it the most important company in AI infrastructure. Every major AI company from OpenAI to Meta relies on Nvidia GPUs to train and run models. And here's what most people don't realize. Analysts still expect Nvidia to grow revenue at over 50% annually, even after its massive run. That's insane for a company already worth trillions. On top of that, Wall Street expects Nvidia to outperform in the second half of 2026 as demand continues rising. The real driver? AI isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. More data centers, more GPUs, more demand. Yes, the stock is expensive, but great companies often are. If Nvidia is the engine, Microsoft is the platform. Microsoft has embedded AI into everything: Office, cloud, and developer tools, and adoption is exploding. Enterprise demand for Microsoft's AI tools is rising rapidly, with companies increasing spending on Azure and Copilot integrations. That means recurring revenue at scale. And here's why this matters. AI isn't just a product for Microsoft. It's an upgrade to its entire ecosystem. That's why many analysts believe Microsoft could be one of the best performing AI stocks in 2026. Most people ignore Broadcom, but smart investors don't. Broadcom sits right in the middle of AI infrastructure. Custom AI chips, networking, and data center connectivity. And here's the key trend. Big tech companies are now designing custom AI chips instead of relying only on Nvidia. Broadcom is helping build those chips. Analysts are already calling Broadcom a potential breakout stock in 2026 due to strong AI demand and partnerships with companies like Meta and Microsoft. This is what's called a picks and shovels play. You're not betting on one AI company, you're betting on the entire ecosystem. Here's a simple truth. Without TSMC, there is no AI revolution. TSMC manufactures the world's most advanced chips. Every major company depends on them: Nvidia, Apple, AMD, Qualcomm. Demand for AI chips is exploding, and that directly translates into revenue growth for TSMC. This is one of the most important long-term bets you can make. AI models don't just need compute, they need memory, and that's where Micron comes in. High bandwidth memory is now one of the most critical components in AI systems. Right now, there's actually a shortage of these chips, which is pushing prices and profits higher. Some projections show Micron with massive earnings growth, driven entirely by AI demand. This is one of the most underrated AI plays. Now let's move beyond hardware. Palantir is all about AI software and real-world deployment. They help governments and enterprises actually use AI to make decisions. And the results speak for themselves. Palantir has already delivered massive stock returns over the past few years, outperforming even some major tech companies. What makes Palantir unique is this. They're not building AI, they're helping companies use AI to generate money. That's where the real value is. Amazon is quietly becoming an AI giant. Most people think of e-commerce, but the real story is AWS. Amazon Web Services is one of the largest cloud providers in the world, and AI runs on the cloud. As AI demand grows, companies need compute, storage, and infrastructure, and Amazon provides all of it. That's why cloud companies are seeing massive AI-driven demand growth. This might be the most important company you've never fully understood. ASML builds the machines that make advanced chips possible. And here's the crazy part. They have a near monopoly on EUV lithography, technology required to produce cutting-edge AI chips.